Can you say bande de bâtards?
Oh shit, say that one.
Bande de bâtards.
Bande de bâtards. I know.
It was perfect. You just told them they're a bunch of bastards.
Woo! A bunch of bastards.
All right.
I like dirty men.
So, I want you to introduce yourself to these fine people.
To these bastards.
To the bastards.
All right, my lovely little perverted bastards. I am Madison Morgan. I got red hair and a dump truck.
You're drunk?
That too. But I have red hair.
Sorry, I thought you said, and I think I'm drunk. I was like, what? You're drunk?
I do think I'm drunk. But also, I have red hair and I have a dump truck.
Oh my God. She's so hot. She's so hot. She's so hot. So hot. So, what's going on?
What's going on? We're like shoulder people.
Yeah.
Trying to like move our way around and stuff.
That's awesome. You're like, oh my God. I never, honestly, every time I see you, I get.
You can't say here, huh?
And I'm wearing sweatpants, so it's
I think they're gray sweatpants.
They're black, yeah.
It's trying so hard, by the way, not to be perverts here.
Yes.
It's such a failure.
Elle dit qu'on essaie vraiment de pas. Attendez, je vais baisser le son. Sorry. Le son sature toujours là ou ça va? On essaie dur de sound because it's so loud. They're saying the sound is.
Right.
So.
I have a request. Sorry to cut you off. I have a request.
Tell me.
Can you say something nasty to me in French? But we'll cover this up.
Yes.
And then.
Elle m'a demandé de lui dire des trucs dégueulasses à l'oreille en français. Does French accent work on you?
It does so well.
Je lui demande est-ce que l'accent français ça marche, elle dit oui.
It has worked so well. It caught me into bad relationship before. Let me tell you.
Elle dit l'accent français marche tellement sur elle qu'elle a eu beaucoup de mauvaises relations amoureuses avec des Français.
Whatever like you just said, it's beautiful.
I translated what you said.
All bad things. All bad things.
What? Can you give all your social media?
I would love to. Okay, so on Instagram, if I don't get deleted, it's at Madison Morgan, spelled exactly how you think it is, X. My backup is Madison Morgan X. Hugs and kisses, and TikTok, which I decided to join as an adult nearing their 30s, is Madison Morgan X, in an effort to stay relevant on the internet as an adult.
I have a very important question that everyone wants to know.
What is it?
When are we fucking?
He doesn't reply to me when I try to message him about fucking, so there's that.
No, you know what's funny? You know, she told me that, and I'm like,
blows me off.
no! You know, she told me that, and I was like, no, I will never not answer to her. Are you serious? I swear I never got a message. She told me that last time. And I was like, no. I'm like, I swear. I would always show up.
Well, you know what? I have an idea. I'm just going to like triple or quadruple message you until you reply.
You can like, first of all, you never need to triple or quadruple. I would always show up.
I'll just show up naked at your doorstep.
Yes, please.
We still have to do anal together. Sorry,
Yes.
Can I say A-N-A-L? I don't know if that's
You can say no. That's okay. That's okay.
We tried it one time and it was fun. But, you know, we'll try it again.
I want it. I want it.
I know. Oh, I want it more.
Do you play video games?
You know what? I play a children's game called Toontown. It's made for 9-year-olds. I was great at it as a kid.
Wait, what is it called?
Toontown.
Toontown.
Toontown. It's made for children. And you know what? I yell at 9-year-olds all the time for fucking my game up, but hey, that's my own problem.
I like that you play that game though.
You know, I get deep with it. Deep with it.
I know how you like it deep.
Sorry, he makes me nervous because he's really hot. So
No, you're the hard one. Let's get it straight. Okay, you're the hard one, not me. No.
Listen. Anytime you want to ruin my life, let me know.
I would never want to ruin your life. All I want
In the best way.
is to make you come while you call me daddy.
See, that's what I mean about ruining my life. But see, I love it.
So you're very particular because you didn't start with porn directly. You,
No, I did not. No,
yeah. So you cam first.
About 7 years, I was a full-time webcam girl.
À la base, elle n'était pas dans le porno, elle faisait du camming, du webcamming. Then you started on OnlyFans.
Yes, correct. The residual income was kind of what got me into it. Plus,
Yeah.
camming is wonderful. I'm so glad we have it, but it gets very monotonous.
Yeah, I can see.
Plus, I just wanted to get fucked for real. I wanted to take dicks on camera. That was so fun.
Elle dit qu'elle aimait bien faire du camming, mais qu'au bout d'un moment, ça devenait un peu monotone. Et surtout, le plus important, c'est qu'elle avait envie de se faire baiser par les caméras.
I wanted real dick.
I've seen you take real dicks. No, but not just mine. I've watched you take other people's dick, and I like it.
Oh,
I like watching you getting fucked.
so sweet. I like it too.
I like watching you getting fucked.
I like watching you get fucked. See, I want them to ruin my life. That's all I want.
I would never want to ruin your life.
In the best way possible.
In the best way possible. I like it. I like it.
Well, look forward to video number 2. If he replies, I'll triple text him. It'll happen.
100%.
100%.
Please. Let's Monday. I'm here. Oh, I like the outfit. Look at those.
Oh, that is. You gotta interview
They
this.
take so much time. Have you ever done that?
I have.
Oh yes, I remember. You
yeah.
posted.
Yeah. Nonetheless, impressive. You know what I don't like about those? It takes hours.
Sorry? Oh no, Twitch would ban me instantly. They would love it. The chat, they would love it, but for sure.
So who here on Twitch wants to see naked ladies covered in tape? I know I do.
I know.
We can't show it to you.
I wish we could show it, you know. So, how long ago did you start in porn? Like 6 months now?
You know what? So I got a contract with Rattlers around March,
Yeah.
and then that ended in May. So I
Nice.
started in 2021.
Okay. So do you have any nominations on?
Oh, I'm not that cool.
No, but I mean, it's still new. The problem is when you start like around May,
Yeah.
the time that things start releasing.
Is that what it is?
Yes, of course.
But there's a possible contract number 2 coming out. It has lots of,
Really?
colors.
Really?
Wink, wink.
With the same people? But see, the problem is, I'm contracted
I know you. Wait, who?
with Vixen,
Oh, yes, you are. Yes, you are.
so I can do OF stuff on my movies for Julesburg.
Right. See, I'm an OF girl, so nobody puts me out for the what do we call it? For the nominations. But here's the thing: nominations
So
are
you
great.
will.
They matter. We love them. Like I would love to.
But it's not the end game. It doesn't make you like,
Money.
you know. I agree. But I guarantee you that the reason why you didn't yet is because you started shooting for Brazils. Xbiz AVN, they don't really like Brazils. Let's be honest. Let's be honest.
He's giving me the
Let's be
industry
honest.
secrets.
For real, look, a guy like Kieran is an incredible performer.
Absolutely, yeah.
He's never won Performer of the Year. I know a bunch of dudes that did win it, and they should have never won. You know.
It honestly, it's it just fucking depends. It just fucking depends. There's no rhyme or reason. Really.
Exactly. But then when you start shooting in May, your scenes start releasing for the company. If you shoot in May, they start releasing July, August, and the deadline is September to do the nomination. So by that time, you probably didn't have enough scenes out yet, you know. But I guarantee you next year, you'll get a lot.
I really, coming from you, by the way, you
It's
were
true.
like, you haven't, I'm not trying to like suck your ass, which I mean, I already have it.
Which you should do.
Which I already have in wood. But like, you are so established, so you saying that means a lot.
No, but like, I'm serious. Like, I'm not kissing your ass, although I would love
I
to.
wish you would.
I would love to, but really, like, First of all, you're a beautiful woman. You have a very particular look. No, but it's true. But on top of that, you fuck for real. Like, you're real good at it. And it shows when you fuck. So that...
It's because we're real whores.
I love it.
We're real whores, baby.
So am I.
I know you are. So you want, okay, I know he's got to get going, but I just want to share one story about Manuel. So I was having a not so great day, dating somebody, I was in, whatever. So I wasn't having the best day ever, and so I was shooting some content trade with him for, the Forbidden site. And I was kind of like, all right, cool, well, he's everyone's favorite, but I also didn't want to raise the bar that high because I didn't want to be, disappointed. But what happened was, he came in, he was so kind, just said, you're the most beautiful girl in the world, I was like, fuck you, and I just want to rather be, But he made it such a fun environment, and he fucking beat the living shit out of me. My God.
It was so good.
Such a great day.
You know what was the hardest part for me when you and I fucked? Not coming. And you know it. Because I kept pushing you away. Because I was so close to comment all the time.
So hot. See, we love that.
It's true. It's true.
I keep saying this. I want him to ruin my life, but
In a good way.
In a good way.
In a very way.
We respect his life. We respect, everything else, but,
You're so
You are. Thank you for having me on.
Thank you. Can you give again your social media to everyone?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for everybody who watched. I love you guys. We're fucking rock stars. I love being on Twitch. Thank you for having me. Instagram is Madison Morgan X. My backup is Madison Morgan XO. Hugs and kisses. TikTok is Madison Morgan X, and then Twitter is Madison Morgan XO. Like hugs and kisses.
Now, should we follow? I'm Mike's been follow.